Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today we're going to be working on cleaning up the grill. I really enjoy my grill time, the backyard time, and I've been cooking a lot. I have made some mistakes, including cooking some things that have really made a mess in here, as you can kind of see. And so today we're going to go ahead and disassemble the grill partially and clean it up. So I just wanted to share that with you and show you the way that I was doing it. So what I like to do is come in and open up the grill, and what we're going to be doing is removing this whole cover off of it. So if you look over here, there's the pins with these cotter pins, and you just simply take a pair of pliers to pull this up and remove the pins on each side. And so you'll just push that pin all the way through, and it does sit down on that tray real nice, but then it is a little bit heavy, so if you want to have two people, it might help you to lift this over. And we're going to be using these stainless steel cleaners. These work really well. I use these as well for the griddle pan, and they claim that they won't rust or splinter. And I would wear some gloves though. Yeah, they did cut my hands up a little bit. I should have had gloves on, but as you can see, I just took some degreaser and some dish soap and sprayed it down, scrubbed it real good, and then gave it a nice rinse. And so it cleaned off really well. And so it takes some effort. Again, wear some gloves so that you're going to do a lot of scrubbing. And you can go as hard on it as you want, take a lot of time, or just do a quick cleaning. A lot of my grease splatter was from some oils and some things that were in there that were boiling. The same scrubber works really well on the grate here. You can see how dirty it was, and it scrubs it right off. So just spray it down and make sure that the chemicals you're using are not toxic in any way. That's why you might want to use some that are designed specifically for the grill. You don't want to use any car degreaser or anything like that that could then potentially harm you as you ingest it. I went through and then took some things apart here, scraped everything down. There is a catch pan that we can take out in the end. And so once all removed, just kind of sprayed it in here. And again, I mean, it is a grill, so we're not going to go too crazy on it. And you don't want to clog up these gas ports that are in here either. So I scrubbed with this gently. I didn't do it too much though, because it's probably ceramic coated or something. I don't want to wear the finish off too much. But just came through and kind of broke it up and then wiped it down. Everything I took out, I could just go over and clean and then put back in, and they cleaned up really nice. And so this is what it looks like. As you can see, it looks really nice now and presentable. It's just going to get dirty again, so understand that. You have to draw the line, decide how much of it you really want to do. But it's really simple to do that, and then just pull that belly pan out, and then you can clean it out and discard everything. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please check the video description where I'll put more of my dad projects and other install videos. Thanks, guys.